This delicious microwave paneer tikka recipe takes approximately 45 minutes to prepare and serves 4 people. Imagine tender, spiced cubes of cottage cheese marinated in a flavorful blend of yogurt and aromatic spices, then quickly cooked to perfection in the microwave with a slight char, absolutely irresistible. Perfectly crispy on the outside and melt in your mouth on the inside, this appetizer bursts with bold Indian flavors that will tantalize your taste buds. It's a quick, easy, and impressive dish that's perfect for sharing with friends and family. Let's now check the ingredients. 200 grams paneer, cottage cheese, cubed. 2 tablespoons yogurt. 1 tablespoon lemon juice. 1 teaspoon red chili powder. 1/2 teaspoon turmeric powder. 1 teaspoon garam masala. 1 teaspoon cumin powder. 1 teaspoon chaat masala. Salt to taste. 1 tablespoon vegetable oil. Skewers for grilling. Fresh cilantro for garnish. Now we'll begin preparing the recipe by gathering all the ingredients needed for the microwave paneer tikka. In a mixing bowl, combine the yogurt, lemon juice, red chili powder, turmeric, garam masala, cumin powder, chaat masala, salt, and vegetable oil to make the marinade. Add the paneer cubes into the marinade and gently coat all pieces evenly. Let it marinate for at least 30 minutes in the refrigerator. After marination, thread the paneer cubes onto skewers, arranging them evenly. Place the skewers on a microwave-safe plate. Cover loosely with microwave-safe plastic wrap or a microwave cover. Cook in the microwave on high for 3 to 4 minutes, then carefully turn the skewers and microwave for an additional 2 to 3 minutes until the paneer is cooked and slightly charred. Remove from microwave and let it rest for a minute. Garnish with freshly chopped cilantro. Serve hot as an appetizer with green chutney or your favorite dipping sauce. Now enjoy this incredible recipe with your friends and family. Thanks for trying this microwave paneer tikka.